are age 50 or older. Sam.
All right, thanks, Duff. 19 after 12 o'clock. And we got a live shot here from high atop our camera posted up at 480 and 77. Beautiful day. We got some sunshine breaking through. It hasn't been super warm out there. We're in the 40s, but it could be worse this time of the year. You can see that cloud cover streaming in from our north and west. No rain just yet, but it is knocking on our doorstep. There's some light rain around the Toledo area. So if you're joining me from Sandusky, I would expect to run into just a little bit of light rain even out towards the islands through the afternoon. I don't think most of us see any rain until about 4 o'clock or so. Here's our future view forecast model, and it does bring in a little bit of snow around 6. Now, it's been going back and forth. It's been saying 4 o'clock, and then it'll say 6 o'clock. So we'll just go with a chance of light rain or light snow at 6 o'clock. 4 and 6, maybe a mix of the two since we'll be in the 40s at that point. But once this precipitation starts, it's going to cool the atmosphere quickly and change over to all snow after 7 o'clock. In this particular forecast model, this is a brand new run just in. I haven't even seen it yet because it literally just changed on me. But it does bring the precip a little bit farther south of the Cleveland area. And that's pretty much in line with our forecast, which we have higher totals here around Akron, Youngstown, and down to the south. I think you're looking at about 2 to 3 inches of snow overnight. And in Cleveland, probably about a trace to an inch. There is a chance that if this sets up farther north, we could be in that 1 to 3 range in Cleveland. But again, I do think most of the 2 and 3 inch totals will be a little bit farther south. This is a tricky little system. It's going to be out of here for all of us by 6 o'clock in the morning. And your morning drive may not feature any snow, but by about 9, there's going to be some lake effect out there. So if you go to work a little bit later, 9, 10, you probably run into it. And that lake effect will continue off and on into the afternoon. Not a ton of snow, though. This is not a big high impact lake effect event. This is around an inch or so of new snow, maybe some higher totals where squalls set up and are a little more persistent, probably out in the snow belts. Again, most of us won't see more than an inch with this. We will all have to deal with the cool down. Here's a look at what we're thinking. 31 tomorrow, 25 on Saturday. 7-day forecast shows you the exact same thing here. 25 Saturday. Guys, that's a high temperature. 30 on Sunday. The only snow I have in this weekend is just a little chance in the snow belt on Saturday. The rest of us get through the weekend with no problems, but then Monday into Tuesday, we need to watch another system that could bring us a little bit more snow.
So not only are we going to freeze, we can't hang around in bed because we're losing an hour of sleep. We got to jump out.
Yeah, I was just going to leave that out.
You were?
I figured I gave you enough back.
I saw these
so you'll
spinning
wait.
clock.
That's why I put the clock there so I didn't have to.
I don't mind it because that means we get an hour extra daylight, but we're all sleeping anyway, so what's the difference? Because we're up we're up in the morning to bring you news in the morning. That's why we do it. All right, if you